Hey everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. This is an item I won off of Instagram, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be just a quick guess what's in the box video. I did win this off of Instagram. Today is Christmas Eve. It is December 24th, 2021. It is a Friday. I got this in the mail, I think yesterday or the day before, I don't remember. It's been sitting here a day or so. This box is 8 inches and 1/8 of an inch wide by 8 inches and 1/4 of an inch long, and it is 4 5/8 deep, and this should be from it is from Mueller Kueps or Kueps, Mueller space Kueps. It's from, and this is the contact I got on Instagram. This is their page right here. They make tools. They have quite a bit of tools. They have 63 posts. If you're in Europe, they have a totally different page for Europe. But high quality German tools. I'm not sure, to be honest, what I won. All I know is I won something in one of their giveaways on Instagram. You guys take some guesses on what it is. I think it might be a t-shirt and something else. I have no idea. Just a guess for me. I'm guessing a t-shirt and maybe a little hand tool or something. But you know, while we're here, I'm gonna make the video a little bit longer. I'm gonna give you guys some updates. So I did take some photos for Instagram on this stuff. I took everything out. So we got a starter, 4 CV axles, 2 for 2 different vehicles. We've got lots and lots of goodies in here. I got 2 upper ball joints for one rig, 2 upper ball joints for another rig. I have 2 lower ball joints for one rig, and these are all premium ball joints. They're actually green and blue. I finally got in the correct from Toyota CV axle nuts and castle caps. I've got dust shields for one side of the CV axles. I have 4 of them, so it will do 4 axles. I got inner and outer, so I got inner seals for the diff and outer seals for the spindles. I got a bag of washers in here for something else. I got front ABS tone rings, and I got 4 of those, and I have 4 rear ABS tone rings. So I got quite a bit of stuff. I actually started to do the CV axles and then had to end up waiting because whoever installed the previous CV axles didn't install, I guess they didn't care, I don't know, but they didn't install the axle nuts properly. So the axle nuts are like 5 threads. The castle nuts are 5 to 7 threads further back than the actual cotter pin. So the cotter pin really isn't doing anything. It's not good. So the axle nuts can back off. The CV axle nuts can back off about 3 or 4 threads before they hit the the cotter pins. It's actually raining. It's been raining quite often. It's been raining since about 2 o'clock this morning. It's now noon. I got the burn box full of things that need to be burned. I got some empty boxes here that I need to burn, but can't really do it while there is rain. I got this scooter right here. This was actually given to me by a customer, I don't know, several months ago, a couple months ago. I didn't charge the customer. I just, stopped and helped them with their flat, and got them on their way. And the gentleman, I've known him for a very long time. He works at the True Value that's now being turned into an Ace. We actually had one of the oldest True Values in the country, and it's now being turned into an Ace because the private owner sold it because he's retiring. But he gave me a scooter for the trouble, and I haven't given it to my kids yet. I'm not even sure if I want to give it to the kids. I might give it away. I don't know. It's green. I know Power Stroke Jude would love that. I got control arms for Skye ready to go on. This control arm came out a lot better on the paint than this one. This one's kind of got like a hammered finish for some reason, but it's not a big deal. I haven't even taken the tape off of this one yet, see? So the tape's still on here. So I taped off the rubber and everything. But we got a fan and a fan shroud and everything for Skye. We're gonna work on Skye getting her back up and running. I can go out, put a battery in her right now, and she'll start. We got a completely painted tow hitch for Rose, which is the one that has the most rust because it came from Detroit. Here's the one that came off of Skye, which is why I painted these, because I had these in my shed or my parts barn for the last 15 plus years, because I originally took these off of Skye when I bought her about a year after I bought her, and replaced everything on the front end. These weren't bad, so I kept them. And good thing, 15 plus years ago, truck's 22 years old. And this is the one that came off the truck that's completely messed up. It's actually completely twisted. So this one can never be used for anything ever again. I don't even think it could be saved, to be honest. And this bushing is shot compared to this one's nice and tight. So this one is actually messed up. We got that taken off. I've got badges for Beast right here that I've gotten painted up. Let me turn this light on. The hammered finish kind of came out pretty cool, to be honest. It's hard to see. There you go. Has a hammered finish. I didn't use hammered paint. I just painted them with gloss paint, and they came out hammered at the very last coat. I've got boxes that I need to put out in the barn. I always keep empty boxes for tools for a minimum of 6 months. If I don't have any issues, then I cut them up and I burn them. And then since I have the light on now, you can see how much damage there is. This right here is twisted to the right. This guy is sitting on the ground. They're both supposed to be sitting on the ground, and they're not. So this whole piece right here on this side got twisted to the right. This got twisted up. Got the rack. So these are the painted ones that are going to go on Rose or Skye. This deflector I got painted. I need to go put it on Rose. Got lots of stuff going on. I got tools and I got gas in this oil pan for a customer, waiting for the customer to come back, which was a customer of the Chrysler 300, the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. So I got lots of stuff to go on. This starter and these two CV axles are going on Beast. I'm not doing Beast right now. The one that's most important is Rose, because Beast isn't moving. But just a quick update for all of you guys. I've got lots of stuff coming to the channel. We're gonna have some more videos. We're gonna have lots of videos, hopefully, on that Chrysler 300. He's a good customer of mine, and he's like, yeah, go ahead and just make videos. Don't matter to me, man. So we got, you know, a lot of people ask why I don't film automotive repairs, and I film on my own vehicles. It's very hard to film on the side of a highway or on the side of a road when there's traffic flying by, and the only angle you can get is the camera in the middle of the road, or you know, the camera in the middle of a field or something like that. And you know, it's too much hassle to ask every farmer permission to put a camera in their field or anything like that. And it's dangerous. It's extremely dangerous for me to film on the side of the road. This customer just happened to request to stop by my house and let me do the work at my house. I told him I would drive to his location if he wanted to. It happens that he lives nearby, so he's like, no, it's alright, I'll drive over to where you're at, no big deal. So that's why I got some videos on the Chrysler 300. That's why you see my vehicles in the background, because we're doing it at my house. I don't normally do repairs at my house. I normally am on the mobile, on the go. But you know, it's whatever's comfortable for the customer. But you know, you guys let me know what you guys think this is. I have no idea what it is. I didn't even get an email. Only email I got was, hey, you have a package on the way. That's from UPS. That's all I knew. They sent me a message telling me that they needed my address. That's all I know. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And just to show you guys, it has been raining. It's definitely been raining. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, guys.